Hi friends, my name is Pawan. So in this video we will create one user service, and after that we will create one API, one endpoint that will check that our application is running or not. Means we will create one health check URL. So go on this go on this Spring Initializer and click on the first link, Spring Initializer. You can see this. After that, create the project. That is I have this Maven project, so I selected the Maven language Java. And the Spring Boot, the stable version is the 3.3.4 currently. You can select accordingly that you have. Artif Artifact, that is the user service. Okay. And Java version 17 I selected. Package is jar. And add this two dependency that we need. We need the web dependency like Spring Boot. And second dependency we need the Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA, right? So these two dependency we need. After that, click on the generate button. Once you click on the generate button, it will download it in your downloaded folder. Extract it, and pull in your favorite ID. So currently I am using the IntelliJ ID. So I will pull in this IntelliJ ID. So I already pulled that. So you can see this. So similarly, you have to pull in your IntelliJ ID. After that, you can see this in the SRC package. We have the main folder, right? So you have to create one package, that is the controller, right? Okay, so do you know how we can see the flatter this package structure? So if you want to see this package structure like this, so click on this setting, tree appearance, and check this flatter package. So after that, you can see this like this the package structure. Okay, so after that, create one class, that is the user controller. And in this user controller, we have to create one endpoint which will check that our application is running or not. Okay, so I am creating that end endpoint, that is the status check endpoint. Okay, annotate this class as the REST controller and request method. Okay, create this endpoint like this and run your application. Okay, so my application is running on the 8080 port. Let's go to the browser and localhost 8080 and add this check status. Okay, I think that there is a spelling mistake. Okay, now you can see the application is working. Thank you.